Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing Ki3 AI. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the Ki3 AI software. Moonshot AI's most powerful thinking machine ever unleashed. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In the left side panel, you'll have access to dashboard, AI chat, history, AI coding, image and video generator, agents, workflows, text-to-speech and SEO Toolkit. In this dashboard, you'll see easy access to all features of Ki3 AI software. Let's begin with AI chat. Type the prompt you need and then hit the enter button to see the results. Within a fraction of seconds, it will give you the results for your prompt. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can regenerate it again. Then the history section shows you the history of all chats, coding, SEO audits, etc. in it. Let's jump to the AI coding feature. Just enter the prompt and then hit enter. And then wait for a few seconds to see the results. It will give you the entire codings for your projects. Next, Image plus Video Generator. It is also known as High-Level Advanced Text-to-Image, Text-to-Video, and Image-to-Video Generator. Just enter the prompt you need, and hit enter to see the magic in seconds. And here's the cool thing, you can directly animate the generated image to a video clip without downloading the image. Just click the animate button to start the video generation. Within a minute it will give you the video like this. Next, agents. Using this AI feature, you can configure a focused team of 1 to 300 AI agents to work for you like chat, coding, or creative production. Just select the agents you need and then hit the Run AI Agents button to start the agents to work for you. Within a few seconds, the output from all the agents will be produced for you. Then the workflows. This will create step-by-step task builders, assign owners, save repeatable pimples and reload them for future AI runs. Just choose the workflow type and enter all the necessary inputs in it, and then hit the Generate button on the top to start the process, and then you can run the AI to test it, and save it for future use. You can even duplicate the workflow in it. Then, text-to-speech feature. With this you can easily generate voice-overs using text. Enter the text you need, select the voice, format, style and then hit the Generate Speech button below to see the result like this.
Tomorrow, we launch the new Ki3 workspace experience. The whole product now moves with one clear voice.
And the SEO Toolkit. It will be more helpful for your site's pages to rank higher in the results. Then finally, this account option gives you access to change your account password, and to view other details like name, email, role, time zone, etc. I've covered all the options inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.